Hey, I'm Jesse from the Crowd Dev team, and today I'm going to show you how to generate content ideas from your developer community. Before we dive in, I want to talk a bit about why we'd want to do this. One, it'll help unstick your go-to-market team and ensure they never run out of relevant ideas. Two, it'll garner more engagement and goodwill from your community, showing you actively listen to their issues and concerns. Three, if your community is discussing a topic, it's likely that other people are searching for it. And this gives you an SEO advantage and helps generate organic traffic. And four, if certain topics are coming up consistently in your community, that often makes great educational content, which can help relieve your customer success team and show your developer community that you're supporting them all the way. Now that we've gone over the reasons, let's dive in. Before you can get started, I recommend creating or connecting an integration. The way we can do this is on the integrations page in the bottom left. So as you can see, we have a lot of platforms you can connect with. To do this, just click on any of them and follow the steps. We have lots of help docs that make it simple to understand and implement. Once you've connected your integrations, you can head over to activities on the left. So this page shows all the activities in your community, but we want to specifically focus on conversations. So we'll click on conversations. Here we can see what our developer community is talking about. And from this, we can look for topics that our developers may want to hear more about, specifically topics that can inform our podcasts, blogs, or any other form of media that you generate. If we want to find topics that have a lot of activity, we can click on filters, number of activities, and then depending on the size of your community, you can filter this by any number. So say 3, 10, or maybe if you've got a massive community, you could say you only want to see threads with 50 plus activities on. Over here, we can filter by trending or most recent activity. And if we want, we can also filter by date here, or we can click on last activity, which is already selected, and we can change the date in this panel. Now that we've gone through how to use conversations to look for topics that are specific to your developer community, I'm going to run you through Eagle Eye and how you can find content across the internet that's relevant to your developer community. So to start, we want to click set up your feed. So here we can include keywords we're interested in. So in this example, let's look at Kubernetes and say next. We can select the time frame. So I'll look at the last 2 weeks. And we track over 10 platforms that are relevant to developer-specific communities. So this will give us a broad overview of what's happening on the internet. Once we've gone through these steps, so we'll say start exploring Eagle Eye. Great. Now that we're on this page and this is loading, I'll show you some of the ways we can edit this. So on the left, we can see all of the active platforms, the keywords we've chosen, and the time frame. To edit this, click on feed settings. We can add keywords. We can update this. We can change the way we match. So this is where we would update anything related to our search. We can also filter by most relevant or most recent. So the data is populated. We can go through this and look for topics that are relevant or inspire our team to create more content. So this is a good example. What does deploy on Kubernetes mean? So this might be a question that comes up often, something we can bookmark and save for our go-to-market team to create content from later. And as we go through here, we can bookmark the posts that are most relevant. So at a later date, we can select bookmarked, and all of the posts we've chosen as relevant will come up here. So hopefully today has given you a good view on how CrowdDev can help you and your go-to-market team generate content ideas from your developer community. But if you need any help, we love talking to our users, so please feel free to reach out. You can book a call with us on our homepage at crowd.dev.